Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel English Stars India. So here I am with my first video from my first session on 1st August as I've already mentioned in my introductory video. So before starting the grammar portion, I thought that I must share the 5 basic steps for beginners with you which will help you and boost you to move on the path to learn English. So here I am with 5 basic steps for beginners. So according to me, you must start with greetings. Like when you wake up in the morning, you must wish good morning. Before sleeping, you must say good night, good afternoon, thank you, welcome. Because if you start using these types of words in your routine, so you will start getting confidence in yourself that okay, I'm using the English words in my day to day routine, and then it will enhance your vocabulary as well as it will boost you to speak more and more words in your daily routine. Okay, after that, use small sentences. Firstly, write in Hindi or Urdu or Punjabi or in any of your native language, and after that, convert it into the English. It's not compulsory to use very heavy words or very complicated words in your sentences to make it more effective, but as a beginner, you must start with very basic sentences like I am doing this. I am eating. I am drinking. You are going. We are enjoying. Something like this. Like, try to explain your daily routine in your sentences. Don't try to complicate the things, but try to manage the things in a simplicity or in a simple way. Like, good morning, nice to meet you, happy birthday, I combed my hair, I brushed my teeth, I like my school, I love my parents, my dad is my superhero, see you tomorrow, may I come in? Like these type of small sentences you must make. Begin your conversations with your friends or with whom you are comfortable. Why I basically and specifically mentioned friend here? Because we used to spend or devote our maximum time with our friends only, either in the schools, colleges, or in job areas. And we used to express our feelings and used to share our secrets with our friends too. So, what you have to do is you just have to change the language to express your feelings, and it will increase your moral, your confidence, and increase your vocabulary. Try to speak even you know you are wrong. But once you start speaking, you will become confident slowly. Basically, we usually hesitate to speak English in the front of others because we thought that people will make fun of us if we speak wrong English. But have a pause here. No one is perfect. No one is perfect. Everyone is in the learning stage, even me, even you, and even everyone. So there is no worries, nothing to hesitate about. Just go ahead, express your feelings, express your thoughts, and slowly you will gain confidence and you will get corrected when you attend my grammar classes too. So just stop hesitating anymore. Go ahead and start speaking with anyone or anywhere. Casual telephonic conversations. Even you are talking with the unknown person, just start using basic 3 words with everyone you are talking with. That is, hello, who's this? To ensure with whom you are talking. After knowing the person, ask him or her, how are you? If he asks you to, then reply, I am good. What are you doing? With whom you want to talk. Use these small sentences on your telephonic conversation it will definitely boost your confidence while speaking with others. Firstly, when you start speaking on telephonic conversations, you will get into the practice of speaking those words very regularly. And when you meet any person on the street, on the road, or any institution, so you casually start speaking these words. Hi, how are you? What's going on? Like these types of words and these type of small sentences boost your moral up to very, very large extent. Trust me and start doing this. At the end, I just want to say start having confidence in yourself. Yes, you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends, family, and must like this video and meet you soon with the first grammar video.